When it comes to process, tools, techniques, and methodology, every designer and organization is going to have their own approach. What's important is that you're always keeping humans or users at the center of your process. Human-centered design is a creative approach to problem solving that begins with people and ends with innovation. It's a participatory process that considers designing with users and not just for them. We can break down human-centered design into 3 phases: inspiration, ideation, and implementation. In the inspiration phase, you want to cast your net wide and look for inspiration in unlikely, unexpected places for creative possibilities to better understand your users. In the ideation phase, you want to start to make sense of these ideas and refine your ideas. Finally, in the implementation phase, you're going to bring these ideas to life. The goal is to create solutions that make an impact. When it comes to working in human-centered design, IDEO are some of the leaders. They've created this free design kit, Field Guide to Human-Centered Design. While this is the printed book, there's an online version that you can download for free. Inside, you'll find methods, mindsets, and case studies to help you better understand human-centered design. Design thinking is another human-centric design process that is often used. In design thinking, it's very interdisciplinary, pulling members from different teams, including unlikely suspects, who are people who are often not involved in decision-making. In design thinking, one of the big differentiating factors is the first step, which is building empathy for your users. What empathy means is really understanding people from their perspective and getting in their shoes. You're going to do this by getting out in the world and observing them and talking to them. In the second phase, you're looking to define the problem. You're also interested in looking at goals and desired outcomes. The next phase is the ideation phase. This is exciting because it's where you come up with all the ideas you can. You want to come up with crazy ideas and no judgment here. The next stage is to prototype your ideas. You're going to take your favorite ideas and start to experiment in how they would work. These can be low-fidelity prototypes. That could be something as simple as a piece of paper and drawing something or folding it, creating a digital prototype that's quick and easy, or even role-playing to show how ideas come to life. Finally, you want to test your ideas. You need to test them on actual people of your intended target audience to make sure they work. From there, you'll get feedback, and if necessary, you can revisit any part of the process to keep exploring. One more process I wanted to tell you about is Lean UX. Once again, it's designed to be quick and iterative. You start with an idea, right away you go ahead and build a prototype or product, and you test that, collect data, which is measurable, and learn from that feedback. You're going to continue this learning loop until you end up with your desired result. So regardless of what design process you use, remember to trust the process.